And getting rid of all this snow is a huge undertaking for cities and municipalities. Mayor Corey O'Connor was busy at work facilitating crews and checking in on city employees and residents. KDKA's Ricky Sayer talked with the mayor, and he joins us live from downtown. Ricky.
Yeah, the snow for now is done, and the focus now is moving it off of the roads, and many roads do not look great. We are right now on Penn Avenue near Stanwix, where there is still a lot of snow on this specific stretch of road. In fact, I don't think we have seen anyone come through and plow this stretch of road since at least 6:30 this evening. Now, the mayor is asking for patience tonight. He told us that there's going to be 50 snowplows on the roads this evening, and we were able this morning to take a look at what they have set up as a command center for snowstorms. From the city-county building's 6th floor, Mayor O'Connor and his top deputies have a view of their snowy city.
We have cameras up on every major intersection, side streets, so we are monitoring the situations everywhere.
This is what they're calling a command center.
This has been a great setup. We are in constant communication with every department. We can see websites, we can see live cameras. We're getting feeds for everything that's happening in the city right now.
On one of the screens, they're monitoring the city's just back online plow tracker, available to the public to see where plow trucks are.
Plow tracker has been down for over a year, and to get the system that we put up today was a credit to IMP, our office, for making sure that we could be as transparent as we possibly could.
But he cautions it's only reliable to an extent and delayed 10 to 15 minutes.
You know, it's not going to be as detailed as we would like it.
With the information in front of them, he says they are obviously reacting, but can also be proactive.
When you look at the screen and say, hey, we haven't hit this part of the city yet, is somebody on their way? You know, making those certain calls like that, we are able to see that, and with the capacity that we have for communication, we can get that word out to DPW.
The mayor says they just made this space operational. Notably, the city does have a building designated as an emergency operations center in the Strip District. It can be activated either in person or virtually. Is this what you're doing instead? Is that also being activated in person?
I mean, they're doing their own thing there as well.
I'm curious, why not all be together for that?
This is just an easier setup for us right now, and it's a way to contact, and we're not getting in their way when they're handling emergencies. We don't want them to conflict with, snow tracker or plowing. Emergencies are for one thing. This is a little bit different of a situation, which is why we are here.
As for the future, we are told they will use that command center for snowstorms on a need-by-need basis. And when speaking about the Emergency Operations Center, we are told that it was set up and activated virtually today. Reporting live downtown, Ricky Sayer, KDKA-TV News.